Hello boss! Today we are showing you our latest bilateral slotting machine. Recently, we received a letter from a customer friend said he wanted to find a bilateral cutting groove for sintered stones. So, can it be achieved? Look at the big screen. Come on. Hey, it's finally processed. Let's take a look at one of its cutting effects. Come on, take a close-up of the camera. And here's one that's been slotted bilaterally. A calcite material. The thickness of this plate is very thin. It's about 9 millimeters. It's about 9 millimeters. Okay, then the bilateral slots have been cut. You can see that this is the cut slot. There are also cut slots here. What about this machine? The biggest highlight, it is a numerical control that adjusts the size of one width of it. Let me show you. There's this numerical control screen. For example, what about this board? We are 520, okay? 550, okay? 550. Good, run. Okay. Just now, I showed you a process of bilateral grooving. If you want to process more processes, welcome to private message. Me in the comment area, I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you at the factory. See you.